Good morning, students. Today we will do the third chapter of our book. The name of the chapter is Hidden Message. So, as you can see, some pictures are given here. And what is our task? We have to take out the hidden message out of these pictures. Okay? But how we will do it? We will write the first letter of each of these pictures to get out the hidden message. Okay, like see, the first picture is of an ice. I-C-E. So the first letter is I. So here I is written. Likewise, the next picture is of a fish. F-I-S-H. So the first letter is F. Okay. The next picture is of an yak. Y-A-K. So the first letter is Y. Okay. The next picture is of an owl. O-W-L. So the first letter we will write is O. Next picture is of an umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. So the first letter is U. Okay. Now come to the next line. Here the first picture is of an ant. So A-N-T. The first letter is A. Okay. The next picture is of a ring. R-I-N-G. So the first letter is R. The next picture is of eggs. E-G-G-S. So the first letter is E. Okay. Now come to the third line. Here the first picture is of a fish. So we will write here F. The next picture is of an umbrella. So we will write here U. Okay. Then the next picture is of a newspaper. N-E-W-S-P-A-P-E-R. So the first letter is N. Okay. Again the next picture is of a newspaper. So we will write here N. Okay. And the next picture is of a yak. So we will write here Y. So I hope up to this much you have understood. Now come to the next line. Here the first picture is of a lock. L-O-C-K. So the first letter is L. Okay. Then ice. So we'll write here I. Then of a fish. The letter is F. Then eggs. The letter is E. Okay. Then in the next line, again the picture of an ice is given. So we'll write here I. Okay. Then the picture of a spider is there. So S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. So the first letter is S. Okay. See how nicely we have completed. Now come to the last line. Here the first picture is of a spider. So we will write here S. Then umbrella U. Then newspaper N. Then again newspaper N. Then the last picture is of yak. So here we will write Y. Okay. So let's see what is the hidden message. If you are funny, life is sunny. Now students, take your pencil and write the hidden message in these given lines. Now in the activity zone, one tongue twister is given. Funny bunny loves honey. So this tongue twister you can say to your brothers and sisters and have fun. Now let's come to the next chapter. What's the time? Time is very precious and valuable for us, isn't it? And time waits for none. So without wasting it, we should always try to use our time efficiently so that we won't have to regret for it afterwards. Okay. Now children, you must have seen people wearing wristwatches and clocks hanging on walls. So watches and clocks are the time tellers that tells us what the time is. And nowadays many gadgets are also available that shows us the time, like mobiles, laptops, computers, etc. Now a clock has three hands: a second hand, a minute hand, and an hour hand, along with hours marked from 1 to 12 to show us the time. Okay, the hour hand of the clock goes around the clock 2 times a day. Therefore, each day is divided into two parts, AM and PM. AM is the period of time from 12 o'clock at night, that is midnight, to 12 o'clock in the day, that is noon. Like when you go to school, when you wake up from your bed. Okay, so these events takes place in AM. Now PM. PM is the time from noon to midnight, like when you come from school or when you have your dinner. So these events takes place in the PM. We can also say that the time period before the noon is called AM and the time period after the noon is called PM. Okay. So I hope you have understood. Now here you can see that some events are given and we have to write the time, means whether it is in AM or it is in PM. So first one you can see is given go to school. So you go to school when? In the morning, so it is AM. Okay. Next is morning. So morning is before the noon, so it will be AM. Okay. Next one is afternoon. Afternoon comes after the noon, so it is PM. The fourth one is sunset. Sun sets in the evening, so it is PM. Next one is go to bed. We go to bed at night, so it will be PM. The next one is eat dinner. So we eat dinner at night, so it will be PM. Now number 7, wake up. We wake up from sleep in the morning, so it is AM. Next one is sunrise. Sun rises in the morning, so it will be AM. Understood? Now next one is evening. So evening comes after the noon, so here we will write PM. And the last one is eat breakfast. So when we eat the breakfast, we eat the breakfast in the morning, so it will be AM. Understood? So children, I hope you have understood the concept of AM and PM. Now you can make a paper clock of your own to practice the time telling, and you can take the help from the YouTube or internet. Okay. We will do another interesting chapter in the next class. Till then, stay safe and bye-bye.